Well, friends, there are a few new dates that have been revealed as to when Congress will be finally passing the next fourth stimulus package. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer has set a new deadline for when Congress must get President Biden's Build Back Better bill signed into law. Great progress is finally being made, my friends. So please make sure to watch until the end of this video to learn about the status of the fourth stimulus package. Also, do me a favor and share this video with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. And at the end of this video, I'll be announcing the 3 winners of this week's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
That we are so excited about this effort. It is because it's about investing in the future of our nation. And that means investing in our future leaders and our current leaders, of which Julissa is one. So thank you, Julissa, for your leadership and your voice and your courage and your brilliance. Mr. Roundtree, her principal, I want to say that she is doing a great job, and I want to thank you for all of the young students that you are mentoring. So thank you. So it is a pleasure to be here today, and I want to thank Julissa for really pointing out how essential the internet is and how essential it is to have an internet connection, not only for the sake of their educational success, but in so many ways that is about understanding the full reality of a full human being. So it is a pleasure to be here today with also 2 true champions of our nation's working people. FCC Chairwoman Jessica Rosenworcel, who has worked for years to make high-speed internet more affordable and more accessible. And thank you, Chairwoman, for your leadership. And Mitch Landrieu, our administration's infrastructure coordinator. He is passionate and he is dedicated and has lived a life of service. And I thank you, Mitch, for all that you have done on this issue and so many other issues.
So friends, a new huge stimulus check payment could be on the way for Americans who are in need of some extra cash. Once passed, the one-time stimulus check payments will go to county employees in the state of Wisconsin. Dane County Executive Parisi told reporters, "I am hoping this one-time payment will help all of our workers navigate the price hikes we are all experiencing at the grocery stores, gas stations, and other goods and services that families depend on." Anywhere between $500 and $1,500 will also be automatically deposited into most residents of New Mexico's bank accounts over the next few months. This free money from the state government comes after New Mexico lawmakers have passed 2 separate economic aid packages this year, amid record oil revenues and rising costs of living, including very high gas prices. Friends, I know that many of you are wondering, how much money might you see in your own account? Some of the money is coming from a bill that lawmakers passed during a regular legislative session in February of 2022. Lawmakers also passed a second package on April 5th, 2022. After a single-day special legislative session, Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham has already signed the latest legislation passed on April 5th. So the question is, what funds are on its way? Well, let's start with the money coming from the Special Sessions House Bill number 2. The Special Sessions House Bill 2 lays out either $500 or $1,000 payments for residents of New Mexico that would be split into 2 parts. How much you will receive will depend on your tax filing status. Heads of households, surviving spouses, and married individuals filing joint returns will receive a total of $1,000. Individual filers and married individuals filing taxes separately will receive a total of $500. These payments will be split into 2 parts. The first payment is supposed to come as soon as possible. The legislation formally outlines its delivery as no later than June 30th, 2022. Joint filers will then receive $500 for the first payment. Single filers will receive $250 for the first payment as well. Then friends, The second payment of the two-part rebate will come sometime in the month of August. As with the first payment, how much you will receive depends on your filing status. Remember that joint filers will receive $500 and individual filers will receive $250. But if you do not make enough money to file taxes, you can still get some cash from the state. House Bill 2 provides a so-called relief payment to fill in the gaps. So friends, please note that there is an application process and a limited amount of cash that the government will send out. These relief payments for non-tax filers are on a first-come, first-served basis. All applicants will be required to give a Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number to the state for proof of identification. To receive a relief payment, if you meet the requirements, you will have to fill out an application with the Human Services Department. So my friends, please do make sure to take action very soon to receive this extra stimulus money. Democratic Representative Peter DeFazio has also announced the Stop Gas Price Gouging Tax and Rebate Act. This bill does not use a national gas price average as a measuring stick, but does call for households to receive a monthly advance tax credit, which is similar to last year's monthly child tax credit. The money would come from the taxing oil companies for what DeFazio calls excessive corporate profits. Representative DeFazio said in a press release, Big Oil will pay a one-time 50-cent windfall profit tax on any adjusted taxable income in 2022 that exceeds 110% of their average adjusted taxable income during the pre-crisis levels between 2015 and 2019. The size of these payments to Americans would be based on how much money is raised by the tax on the oil companies. Well, my good friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for everyone who has joined me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you. Please, friends, do me a big favor and share this video with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. Also, the three winners of this week's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway are Scott Johnston, Vivian McKeithen, and Deborah Price. Congratulations, my friend! Please note that if I have announced you as a winner, it's important that you check the notifications page to claim the gift card. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Easter weekend.